Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to discuss e-ball technology. We know the revolution in the computers. That large room is converted into the now desktop, that desktop is into laptop. But the coming feature, the coming concept in the market, the e-ball computers. This video going to discuss the very amazing facts. So I'm requesting you to please tune till the end. Okay, we see the size of e-ball. Before starting the size of e-ball, I just give the small introduction. What is e-ball technology? E-ball is the sphere-shaped computer concept which is the smallest design among all the laptops, and it has the design produced by the Apostle Tinokovsky has given the idea of smallest PC. If you see the size of the e-ball is the smallest PC ever made. It is a 6-inch diameter sphere. It consists of 120 by 120 mm motherboard. If we see the feature of the e-ball, it consists of wireless optical mouse and laser keyboard. In coming slides, I am going to discuss how it works, what is the laser technology, and LCD projector. If you see the projectors which can be used in the e-ball, LCD projector and the DLP projectors. It has around 350 to 600 GB hard disk. It consists of 5 GB RAM. It has two 50-watt speakers. It has LAN, WAN and webcam. iTech virtual keyboard, dual core processor, integrated graphics and sound card, LCD projector or paper holder. That's features I'm going to discuss step by step. Now we see the how laser keyboard works. If you see that traditional keyboard typing is now converted into the laser. What the technology behind them? In one technology, the keyboard is projected optically on a flat surface. As the user touches the images of a key, the optical device detects the stroke and sends it into the computer. In another technology, the keyboard is projected on an area and selected keys are transmitted as a wireless signals using the short range Bluetooth technology. This is the amazing facts that used in the e-ball technology. If we see if there is no wall, okay, generally e-ball technology or that sphere or the sphere shaped computer, generally they're going to project rather than LCD. It has a projector instead of display unit. Okay, suppose there is in case there is no wall for the projection, then if you see the figure, when we are working in an open place, we can make use of a paper sheet as a screen. Okay, then how to use or operate the paper sheet holder is placed at the back panel of this computer. See, the holder can be opened by pressing it in the lower part. These are the 3 steps. If you press the sheet holder, okay, then that holder is going to open and you can place the paper if there in case of there is no wall. Now the working of e-ball. Okay, if you see how to projector is on, at the top there is one button. If we going to press for 5 seconds, okay, then projector will start. Also if we see there is a laser keyboard activation button is there. If we press that button, our activation, the laser keyboard is going to activate. The e-ball is to be placed on 2 stands, open by pressing and holding the 2 buttons located on each side of the PC. If you see the process 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, the buttons are placed on both sides of that e-ball computers. That's then after pressing the stand is going to open. Once the PC is turned on, the mouse button has to be clicked to detach the optical mouse, and there is also small button for the laser keyboards. Now we're going to discuss the merits. eBall is a portable device. It has large memory, useful for making video presentation. They have greater speeds, supports user-defined keyboard layouts. Some demerits: normal OS operating system can't work in these computers. Cost is very high. It is difficult to understand if any problem occur in hardware components because this technology is new in the market, so it's very difficult. We're facing some hardware components. I'm going to the conclusion, because these technologies our imagination have dressed into reality. And today it has become possible to have a whole computer in our pocket all the time. This ball computer has taken the computer technology to new horizons. As we see that as year passes, technology is developing day by day. The size of electronic device reduces to save money as well as space. Today it is possible to have a whole PC inside your pocket. Because the technology makes it possible for people to gain control over everything except over technology. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe. Thank you very much.